How to use magic loop when knitting in the round. So in this example, we would like to make Christmas stocking ornaments that have a very small circumference. So what you do first, cast on the required number of stitches. And you can see this cable and the needle, both of them are quite long, so you will not be able to knit in the round. What we recommend is knitting your first round just as a regular row. So follow the same pattern but knit it flat. Why is that? This way, when you connect your first round, it's much easier not to twist. So when you already have your first row knitted, it's just much easier to see what you're doing. So here, when you're done knitting that first round, slide all the stitches to the other needle and split them in half. So you're keeping half of the stitches on the needle, and then you're going to slide the remaining half of the stitches onto the other needle. And you see this is your excess cable, and then so you will have some excess cable on both sides. And again, here be careful not to twist. Make sure all the stitches are facing in the same direction, like everything looks nice and even. And then now we can start knitting. In this case, it's a rib pattern. So insert the needle as if to knit. So it's basically one knit, one purl. So insert the needle. It will probably feel somewhat uncomfortable on your first round, but it does get much easier with every round. And then just keep doing the rib, one knit, one purl. Okay, when you get to the middle, you slide your left needle, you slide the stitches onto the needle, and then you will slide the right needle all the way out. Again, make sure you have some excess cable on the left side and some on the right side, just so you can connect. Okay, so you've knitted your first half of the stitches, and now you have to do the remaining half. So in, yarn over, we're just continuing with that rib stitch, one by one rib, one knit, one purl. Okay, and then you do same thing. Pull the right needle out, slide the stitches, just find that middle, pull the cable out. It does definitely take some time getting used to, but the result is rewarding. You can make very cute baby socks or Christmas stockings or sleeves for children's sweater, for example. So you're basically just knitting. In this case, we have so 20 stitches total. You're just knitting 10 at a time. If you have 30 stitches, you'll be doing about 15 at a time. It doesn't have to be exact, it's just it's easier if you split them equally. And just keep going all the way around. So you can see at this point um, that with every round it does get a little bit easier. So this is the beginning of a Christmas stocking ornament. And eventually, this is what it will become.